What's up, guys? It's day 14. Today's Friday. Today's Friday the 13th, and as I promised all your boys and girls, man, I'm continuing with the JavaScript course as I promised y'all. Now, today is gonna be a little bit shorter because it's kind of late in the evening for me, but still, we're gonna do some exercises right here. Okay, so we're gonna be using the DJS external library. We're gonna do the exercises with this library. So um yeah. So the first exercise is 15a. Using DJS, get the date 5 days after today and display it in the format month, day of month. Okay, so um format, okay, 5 days after today. Okay, so basically uh okay, so first we need to create a today object. So we're gonna create or a today variable or whatever. So we're gonna create a today variable with day.js. Okay. Then afterwards we're gonna so we're gonna get the date 5 days after today and display it. So to do that, we need to get the date const after file or something. Today dot add 5 days, and then let's say const date string is equal to after 5 dot format, and we're gonna display it in day of month. So to get the month, we need to type in mmm m, and the day of month is d. And then what we need to console.log this console.log date string. So it should give me, yeah, it gives me February 18th, because today is the 13th. So after 5 days is 15th. Calculate 1 month after today. Okay, so 1 month, it's probably like, okay, so I'm gonna copy this, close this, 15b.html, like that. I'm gonna say after month, this is 15b. Let's close all this other stuff. We're gonna open with live server like this, and this is gonna be after month after month, and this should be something like one after 1 month. Calculate 1 month after today, display the same format. Month, so it should be maybe months. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, March 13th. Okay. So DHS has a subtract method which subtracts time from a date. Calculate 1 month before today and display in the same format. Okay, so subtract 7. Returns a cloned DHS object for a specific time amount subtracted. So this is gonna subtract 7 years. Okay. So we're gonna do 15c.html. We're gonna paste this 15c, close this, open with live server like this, and then press the time from a date, calculate 1 month before today. Okay, so before 1 month, we're gonna say today dot subtract, and I'm guessing from the looks of it, it has to be 1 month, and then display in the same format. So before 1 month, and there we go, January 13th. Get a date from DJS and display it in the format day of week. Okay, get a date. Okay, this is 15D 15D 15D.html 15D. Okay, from DJS and format day of week. So we're gonna do format again, format, display format. So day of week is gonna be const day of week is gonna be today dot format ddd. I'm gonna day of week. Okay, we need to open this first, close this, open this, not this, then inspect elements. Okay, Friday, and today is Friday. Create a function is weekend that takes a digest object and returns whether the day is Saturday or Sunday. Hint use solution from 5D. Okay, so 15e.html, paste, takes an object and returns whether the date is Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so function is weekend day if day. Okay, so we just need to return day, show if day equals Saturday or day equals Sunday. Okay, and then console.log day of week. This should give us true. This is 15e 15e, open with live server 15e. Okay, so what, oops, I gotta do is weekend day of week. So gets false, console.log is weekend Saturday, should give us true, and console.log is weekend Sunday, also give us true, and console.log is weekend Thursday, and this should be false. Okay, now move is weekend to a separate file and use export default. Okay, so we're gonna say is weekend.js is weekend to a separate file and use export default. You put this function in another file and run it. Okay, so we're gonna get this. Gonna get rid of this. We don't need these. We're gonna export default. Export default. So we're gonna say, and let's say main, say main.js or something. Then we're gonna import is weekend from the slash is weekend.js, and we're gonna run weekend of Saturday like this. So this is 15F. Okay, so now source main.js is weekend does not provide an export named is weekend. Okay, what did I do? The request model is weekend.js does not provide an export named is weekend. How the heck? Um, okay, wait. Gotta console.log like this. Okay, what the heck? Why does it export default cut? Okay, I don't know where I get this. This is weekend.js. This is main.js. This is the HTML. It is happening because using default exporting is weekend, but you're not importing it as a named export. No, this weekend trying to import this does not exist. Oh, so we gotta export it in a different way. We gotta import it in a different way. Okay. We can also rename a default export when we import. In 15F, when we import is weekend, change the name to something like is to something else, like import is Saturday Sunday. Is set sun. Alright, now we get is weekend is not defined, is set sun. We get true. Let's go. Friday, false. Let's go. Let's say Tuesday. If I can spell false. Let's say Sunday. True. Okay, guys. Okay, we did these all the exercises for the day.js, and that's gonna be for today, man. Tomorrow we're gonna continue with the other exercises from this lesson. That's it for now, though, y'all. I hope you had a good day. I hope you, yeah, have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe. Somewhere on screen, so somewhere on the screen right now, a video will pop up which YouTube thinks you will enjoy by me. So make sure that you click on the video and watch it. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, follow me. All links is down in the description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a good one. See ya.